Hook. Did you know that nearly 1 in 10 Americans has diabetes? And get this, many of them don't even know it. But there's another layer to this condition that flies under the radar: biadebetes. What is it? Stick around because you might be shocked to learn about its surprising symptoms and the impact it has on people's lives. Introduction. Alright, folks, let's dive into the world of biadebetes. It's a term that might not be on everyone's lips, but it's becoming more relevant in health discussions today. Biadebetes refers to the complexities and lesser-known aspects of diabetes that often get overlooked. Understanding this can make a huge difference in how we view our health and the health of those around us. Presentation of problem/challenge. Now, let's talk about the challenges people with biadebetes face. First off, there's a ton of misinformation out there. Many folks think diabetes is just about managing blood sugar levels, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. There are misconceptions that it only affects older adults, or that it's solely linked to poor diet and lifestyle choices. This can lead to stigma, and those who are diagnosed might feel isolated or misunderstood. There's also the problem of access to proper care and education. Not everyone has the resources or knowledge to manage their condition effectively, which can result in serious health complications. The reality is, biadebetes is a complex condition that requires a multifaceted approach, and many people are still struggling to get the help they need. Exploration/development. So, what exactly is biadebetes? Well, it includes both type 1 and type 2 diabetes, but also highlights the nuances that people often miss. For instance, did you know that symptoms can vary widely from person to person? Some might experience extreme fatigue, while others might have persistent thirst or frequent urination. And here's something not many people know: stress and mental health can play a huge role in managing diabetes. Recent studies have shown that stress can actually exacerbate symptoms, leading to a vicious cycle. There's also exciting new research coming out that looks at how our gut health can impact diabetes management. It's fascinating stuff that's not widely discussed but could really change the game for many. Climax/key moment. Now, here's the big revelation: there's a growing movement towards personalized medicine in the treatment of biadebetes. This means that instead of a one-size-fits-all approach, healthcare providers are looking at each individual's unique genetic makeup, lifestyle, and even preferences to tailor their treatment plans. This could mean the difference between just managing the condition and truly thriving despite it. Imagine a world where your treatment plan is designed just for you, taking into account everything from your diet to your mental health. This shift could be revolutionary in how we perceive and manage biadebetes. Conclusion/summary. To wrap it up, we've covered quite a bit about biadebetes today. It's not just another health scare, it's a condition that affects millions and has many layers. Understanding the challenges, recognizing the symptoms, and embracing new research is crucial for raising awareness. The more we know, the better we can support ourselves and others in navigating this complex issue. Call to action, CTA. So, what do you think? Have you learned something new today about biadebetes? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more health-related content, don't forget to check out our other videos. Let's keep the conversation going and help spread awareness together.